I am Shravya Rakle from grade 7 and I feel truly honored to be your host for this evening's Grand Independence Cultural Program.
And I am Sameep Bahire from grade 6, your co-host for tonight. It's a joy to welcome each one of you to this evening filled with pride, performances and patriotism. As we gather under the golden hues of this evening, we celebrate not just a day, but the spirit of India through music, dance, drama and expression. Before we begin, a gentle reminder to all our dear parents. Kindly keep your mobile phones on silent mode throughout the event so we could enjoy those moments without interruption. Kindly refrain from taking photos or videos of your children during performances as it may distract the students. Don't worry, the school will soon share beautiful moments with you. Instead, let's just encourage our little stars with warm smiles and claps. With heartfelt gratitude, we welcome our esteemed Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, our ever supportive Coordinator Ma'am, all our dedicated educators, loving parents, and of course, our enthusiastic schoolmates.
To begin this evening on a divine and positive note, we now move on to a tradition that symbolizes knowledge, purity and enlightenment, the lamp lighting ceremony.
We would now like to invite on the stage our dignitaries to do the honors. We humbly request Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, along with the house captains to kindly step forward and light the ceremonial lamp.
Wisdom and love for our nation.
And now, let's dive into a series of vibrant, soulful and spirited performances that reflect the heartbeat of our incredible India.
Stay with us. The celebration of pride and patriotism has just begun. Get ready to be amazed. Our little stars from grade 1 campus 2 are about to light up the stage with their patriotic dance mashup, a joyful celebration of rhythm, energy and love for our motherland. Smiles and claps.
applause to our little champs for their enthusiasm and sparkling energy. And now, the stage glows once again as the Grade 1 champions from Campus 2 step up to spread more love for our country through another beautiful melody, Mera Desh Hai Sabse Pyara. Let's open our hearts and listen as they fill the air with innocence and emotion.
Let's give a huge round of applause for our little stars.
मेरा देश है सबसे प्यारा, सूरज सा चमके हर सवेरा, लालो हरा सफेद है केसरिया, ऊंचा लहराए तिरंगा प्यारा। मेरा देश है सबसे प्यारा, सूरज सा चमके हर सवेरा, लालो हरा सफेद है केसरिया, ऊंचा लहराए तिरंगा प्यारा। दिल से हम गाते हैं, स्वतंत्रता दिवस बनाते हैं। मेरा देश मेरा अभिमान, जय हिंद मान। हमें छोटी पर दिल बड़ा, भारत माता की जय सदा। एकता का दीप जलाए, सब मिलकर खुशियाँ बनाए। एकता का दीप जलाए, सब मिलकर खुशियाँ बनाए। हम बढ़ते हैं, सपनों को सच्चा करते हैं। साथ चले हम हाथों में हाथ, मिलकर करिए अच्छे सारे काम। प्यार से ये कहते हैं, स्वतंत्रता दिवस बनाते हैं। मेरा देश मेरा अभिमान, हर बच्चा बोले जय हिंद मां। हमें छोटे पर दिल बड़ा, भारत माता की जय सदा। प्यार से ये कहते हैं, स्वतंत्रता दिवस बनाते हैं। थैंक यू।
Begins with a small step, and they have made a good attempt. Let's cheer them up for these young hearts who are learning to shine brighter each day. after that heartfelt tribute, it's time to bring back the beats of joy and rhythm of pride. Get ready as the spirited students of grade 2 and 3 from Campus 1 take the stage to set it ablaze with their patriotic dance. With classics like आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है and ये दुनिया. This performance promises to take you on a vibrant journey through the soul of India. So tighten your seatbelts because their energy is going to make you clap, cheer and sway with pride.
जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तान हमारा है।
From their moves to their expressions, everything radiated love for the nation. Let's give them a burst of applause for dancing straight into our hearts with such passion and pride. They say, when words fail, music speaks, and when the tune is patriotic, it stirs something deep within us all. Today, our vibrant grade 4 students from Campus 2 are here to present a heartfelt song that echoes the pride of being Indian. Hum Bharat Ke Hai, a melody that celebrates unity, love for the motherland, and the power of young voices in shaping the nation. So, let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Should we give them a little hint?
Let's ask the audience itself.
Okay.
Shall we give you all a hint?
Yeah.
Okay, it's based on a real mission that showed the unmatched courage of our soldiers.
A mission where bravery, sacrifice, and the love for our nation painted the ground red like sindoor.
Any guesses? Yes, you are right. It's Operation Sindoor.
Let's welcome our performers with a round of applause and relive this heroic chapter of our history.
On April 22, 2025, the serene beauty of Baisaran meadows in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir was shattered by a brutal terror attack. Disguised in Indian Army uniforms, terrorists opened fire on innocent tourists, families with children who had come to experience peace and joy. Laughter turned to screams, dreams turned to dust. Fathers, sons, and daughters were lost. Wives became widows. It was a day of unbearable sorrow and senseless violence. In response, India launched Operation Sindoor on May 6-7, carrying out decisive airstrikes on terrorist bases inside Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Pakistani Punjab. It was not just retaliation, it was a message that India will not stay silent in the face of terror. This performance is a heartfelt tribute to the martyrs who fought back, to the families who bear the pain, and to the nation that stands unbroken. Operation Sindoor symbolizes the sindoor wiped away from a widow's forehead, the love that endures beyond loss, and the undying strength of a country that never bows to fear. Let us remember their sacrifice. Let us honor their courage. Let us never forget.
कितनी खूबसूरत ये तस्वीर है, मौसम बेमिसाल बेनज़ीर है, ये कश्मीर है, ये कश्मीर है, कितनी खूबसूरत ये तस्वीर है, हर मौसम बेमिसाल बेनज़ीर है, ये कश्मीर है, ये कश्मीर है। सूरज निकले हर भेद जो गाए है वो रहेंगे जिंदा हर दिल में बस कर बन कर परिंदा शेर को पीछे छोड़ दिया कायरता की परिभाषा को पहलगाम में तोड़ दिया लाशें बिछ गई मासूमों की लहू भी लहूलुहान हुआ धर्म पूछ कर मारा सबको जन्नत भी वीरान हुआ भूल गए जवानों को तुम जिनकी धर्म न जाती है आसमान सिंदूरी कर दो हिंद की सेना आती है घर में घुसकर वार करेंगे बंदूकें भी गाती है आसमान सिंदूरी कर दो हिंद की सेना आती है घर में घुसकर वार करेंगे बंदूकें
displaying such deep emotion and strength with such brilliance. It is now our honor and privilege to invite the guiding light of our school, our respected Principal Ma'am, to share a few inspiring words with us on the special occasion of Pride and Patriotism.
A very good evening to one and all present here. The entire team of Akansha Academy, our lovely students, and their wonderful parents present here. Give yourself a big round of applause. Before I begin, let me take a moment and appreciate all my wonderful students for their energy, their team spirit, and of course their wonderful, wonderful performances. Please give them a huge round of applause for them. Are you enjoying their performances? Yes. How much? Make some noise. More noise? Little more? Thank you. I really appreciate all of you. You are wonderful, wonderful audiences. Really, you're wonderful. Okay. So at Akansha Academy, we have always believed that education is not only limited to the books or classroom. It is about self-expression, building confidence, and learning team spirit. And this evening, we are seeing all of that together on the stage, isn't it?
Yes.
This year, as most of you are aware, that Akansha students every year celebrate Independence Day through a week-long celebration. And we ensure that each students get an opportunity to participate unless the parent has chosen otherwise. This year, we have made a few changes to the plan. Instead of inviting all parents on different days, we decided to bringing them together on the same day. And dear parents, believe me, this idea straight came from your children. I'm saying particularly from grades 4 to 6. These students, they wanted to perform in front of you all as Big One Akansha family. Thus far, we have witnessed some wonderful performances. And I'm really proud to see my children are confidently performing on the stage. While this program has been carefully planned and organized by a wonderful, creative and talented team of teachers, we have also given some responsibilities to our students, like anchoring, lamp lighting, crowd management, etc. These responsibilities may seem very small, but help them to build their confidence, communication, and teamwork skills. Dear parents, let us remember, as we celebrate independence, independence comes with responsibility. And through these kind of events, we are helping our students to grow into responsible and confident future citizens of a nation. A heartfelt thank you to all you wonderful parents for preparing your children for this evening, arranging the costumes, and most importantly, being with us today to support our lovely children. Your involvement is the base for our children to build their dreams. My dear parents, let us continue to enjoy every performance, every smile, and every moment of this event together tonight. Thank you. Jai Hind. Would like to appreciate few students, those whom we have given some responsibilities today this evening. I would like to take name of those children: Ananya, Fauzia, Akshat, Sai, Aliza, and Chaitanya. I am really proud of you. You are doing wonderful, wonderful job. And I mean it. I'm really proud of you. And special appreciation goes to these wonderful anchors of this evening. Well done. You are super fantastic. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am, for always inspiring us to embrace new challenges. Your constant encouragement fills us with confidence and drives us to achieve our best.
Get ready to say wow, because now coming up on stage are our adorable little patriots from Grade 1, Campus 1, with hearts as gold and voices that sparkle with innocence. They are here to give us a soulful tribute to our nation. Let the tiny voices awaken the true patriot in each one of us.
Give them a big round of applause. today, but they hold the promise of becoming our future singers. So young, yet already filled with love for the nation. Let's give our shining stars a big, big round of applause. India is not just a country, it's a festival of cultures, colors, and traditions. And now, the incredible students of grade 2 from Campus 2 will take us on a colorful journey through Indian states in their performance titled Desh Mera Rangila. From north to south, east to west, get ready to witness the true meaning of unity in diversity. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Wasn't that a visual treat, Sameer?
Indeed, it was.
Such a beautiful celebration of India's rich culture and unity. Let's give them a loud and proud round of applause.
get ready for a power-packed performance. The talented students of Grade 5 from Campus 2 are all set to mesmerize us with a dynamic patriotic dance, one that celebrates grace, strength, and the unwavering spirit of our nation. Their moves will speak of valor, their rhythm will echo pride. So, let's cheer them on as they light up the stage. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
एक फौजी के बनने से बड़ा कोई मुकदमा नहीं था। पति की शान से बड़ी कोई और शान नहीं था। अपने देश से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं।
spellbinding. Every beat, every step reflected the deep emotion and fiery passion of our young dancers. Let's give them a huge round of applause for that dazzling tribute to our country. And now, it's time for a performance that will not only touch your hearts, but also stir your thoughts. The students of grade 6 and 7 are here with a powerful street play titled Modern Queer India Movement, a bold and creative take on a historic cause adapted to today's world.
This act is a wake-up call urging us to quit deforestation, mobile addiction, religious intolerance, and all the other chains that still bind us. Let's rise, reflect, and rebuild together for a better tomorrow.
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, आओ आओ नाटक देखो हम बच्चों का
नाटक
आओ आओ नाटक
देखो, हम बच्चों का नाटक देखो,
आओ आओ नाटक देखो हम बच्चों का नाटक देखो
आओ आओ नाटक देखो, हम बच्चों का नाटक देखो।
आओ आओ नाटक देखो हम बच्चों का नाटक देखो साहिबान कदरदान मेहरबान, आज हम कक्षा 6 एवं 7वीं की छात्र और छात्रा आपके सामने एक नुक्कड़ नाटक प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका शीर्षक है बुराइयां भारत छोड़ो। भाई आज क्या दिखा रहे हो? कुछ अच्छा ही दिखा रहे हो या फिर बोर करोगे? हम तो अच्छा ही दिखाते हैं पर आप बोर हो जाओगे क्योंकि बात जब देश पे आती है तो सब बोर हो जाते हैं। क्यों, ऐसा क्या दिखा रहे हो? नुक्कड़ नाटक, नुक्कड़ नाटक।
साल 1942 जब भारत अंग्रेजों की बेड़ियों में जकड़ा था, तब उठी एक आवाज, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो।
अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो।
You are under arrest.
मेरी बारी है।
ये था साल 1942 जब अंग्रेजों को भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन द्वारा भगाया गया था और अब है साल 2025। परिस्थितियां बदल चुकी हैं। हमें भारत को एकजुट और मजबूत करने के लिए बुराइयों को भगाना होगा। बुराइयां भारत छोड़ो, बुराइयां भारत छोड़ो,
बुराइयां भारत छोड़ो, बुराइयां भारत छोड़ो। क्या है, सारा दिन फोन पर लगे रहते हो, पढ़ाई कब करोगे?
पापा क्या है पढ़ाई पढ़ाई, मुझे नहीं करनी पढ़ाई, मुझे रील्स देखने दो, डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी।
क्या होगा इन बच्चों का?
डिजिटल भारत में डिजिटल दिमाग चाहिए लेकिन जिम्मेदारी के साथ। डिजिटल भारत में
डिजिटल दिमाग चाहिए
लेकिन जिम्मेदारी के साथ। इन्हें काटोगे तो छाव कहाँ से पाओगे? क्या फर्क पड़ता है, सब यही तो करते हैं।
रुको,
मातृभाषा का अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए। हमें सबकी मातृभाषा का सम्मान करना चाहिए। न हिंदू, न मुस्लिम, न सिख, न तमिल, हम सिर्फ भारतीय हैं। हम सिर्फ भारतीय हैं। हम सिर्फ भारतीय हैं। हम सिर्फ भारतीय हैं। हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। स्वतंत्र दिवस तो खत्म हो गया, अब इसका क्या करूं? रुको रुको, देशभक्ति सिर्फ गाने, झंडा फहराने और एक दिन मनाने से नहीं है। वो है अपने काम में, सोच में और जिम्मेदारी निभाने में ही सच्ची देशभक्ति है। देश के नाम हम बदलेंगे, भारत बदलेगा। क्या यही आजादी है जहाँ बच्चे रील्स में खोए हैं? चारों तरफ प्रदूषण है, नफरत नई पहचान है। अंग्रेजों ने जिस भारत को छोड़ा वो इससे बेहतर था। भ्रष्टाचार भारत छोड़ो, भ्रष्टाचार भारत छोड़ो, नफरत भारत छोड़ो, नफरत भारत छोड़ो, सोशल मीडिया की लत भारत छोड़ो, सोशल मीडिया की लत भारत छोड़ो, महिला असुरक्षा भारत छोड़ो, महिला असुरक्षा भारत छोड़ो, प्रदूषण भारत छोड़ो, प्रदूषण भारत छोड़ो, झूठी देशभक्ति भारत छोड़ो, झूठी देशभक्ति भारत छोड़ो। अब समय है नया सूरज उगाने का। अब समय है नया सूरज उगाने का। हाँ भाई हाँ, हाँ भाई हाँ। भारत को फिर से स्वर्ग बनाने का। भारत को फिर से स्वर्ग बनाने का। हाँ भाई हाँ, हाँ भाई हाँ। हम बच्चे ही बदलेंगे कहानी भारत की। हम बच्चे ही बदलेंगे कहानी भारत की। हाँ भाई हाँ, हाँ भाई हाँ। बुराइयां छोड़े, यही असली देशभक्ति की निशानी। बुराइयां छोड़े, यही है असली देशभक्ति की निशानी। हाँ भाई हाँ, हाँ भाई हाँ। धन्यवाद।
Impactful performance. Our change makers have given us so much to think about and hope for. Let's give them a thunderous round of applause. The stage has seen colors, music and emotions today. But what's coming next will lift not just our spirit but also our pride.
That's right. This performance is not just about dance steps. It's about balance, teamwork, and the love for motherland standing tall.
With every move, they will tell a story, and in the end, they will rise together to form a symbol of unity and strength.
Audience, brace yourself for this stunning patriotic dance with a pyramid formation. Let's cheer them on as they take the stage and make our hearts swell with pride. Hold your breath, and right after that, they'll present a spectacular pyramid formation titled Vande Bharat, a powerful visual tribute symbolizing the unity, strength, and the balance of our great nation. Each child, each layer standing tall and supporting one another. A living and breathing reminder of how India rises strong and together. So, let the light shine bright and let their spirit rise higher than ever, because this is more than just a performance. It's a salute to the soul of Bharat.
Let's give them a thunderous round of applause as they light up the stage. filled with energy, emotion and elegance. And that pyramid, so bold, so symbolic, did it give you all goosebumps? Let's celebrate this moment with a roaring round of applause for our great 4 champs who truly raised the bar tonight. They didn't just perform, they made us proud to be Indian. As we reach the end of this unforgettable cultural evening, our hearts are overflowing with pride, inspiration and memories that will last a lifetime.
Each performance tonight echoed the true essence of India, unity in diversity, courage, creativity, and your voices of young patriots speaking loud and clear.
Dear parents, we truly hope you enjoyed each and every performance and that we were able to bring smiles, applause and maybe even a few wow moments today.
On behalf of all our students, a big thank you to each one of you for joining us this evening. Your cheers, your claps and your smiling faces made this event even more special. A heartfelt thanks to our wonderful educators who worked tirelessly, planning, guiding and perfecting every little detail just so each performance could shine on the stage.
And of course, our deepest gratitude to our respected school director sir for arranging every single thing needed to make this event a success. And to our beloved principal ma'am for trusting us and giving this golden opportunity.
And now, as we conclude, we invite everyone to please stand in the respect for the national song, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram Sujala Subhala Malayaj Shitala Sasya Shyamala Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakita Yamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
A heartfelt tribute to our great nation. Thank you, dear audience, for your presence and incredible support throughout. We hope you enjoyed the program. Let's carry this patriotic spirit in our hearts every single day. Happy Patriotic Week ahead. Jai Hind.
Final dispersal announcement. Dear parents and guardians, we have a humble request regarding the dispersal of students.
We kindly ask you to collect your votes from the following entrances as per their class and campus. Parents of grade 1, students from campus 2 are requested to proceed to entrance 1. Parents of grade 1, 2 and 3 students from campus 1 may please collect the children from gate entrance 2. Parents of grade 2 and grade 3 students from campus 2 kindly go to entrance 3. For parents of grade 4 to 7, we request you to collect them from entrance 4.
We sincerely thank you for your cooperation and understanding. These arrangements are made for smooth and safe dispersal of all students.
Please follow the instruction carefully. And thank you once again for being a part of today's beautiful celebration. With that, we bring today's event to a close. Thank you once again for being such an amazing audience.
And this is Samir signing off. Take care, stay safe and good night.